Uh, are my tonsils okay? I feel like yours look healthier than mine.
That's nasty.
I don't even know what's going on.
It's my larynx. I don't even actually know what larynx. I'm trying to remember what larynx are. My camera's all blurred. Gotta turn it off. Gotta turn it back on. Oh yeah, there you go. Okay. Oh.
I'm like, what? Damn, I thought our power was gonna go out during this storm, but it hasn't yet.
I know. I was worried, but when it snowed last year, my mom's power went out like bad for like a full like day or two, and I was really very scared with the ice storm being. I'm like, oh man, this power's gonna go completely out for like several days. Because that would blow so much. Thankfully, it didn't. At least not yet. Knock on wood. Oh! Ow! I knocked on some wood and it hurt me.
Knocking on wood right now.
Knocking on wood, bro.
Morning wood. But it's not morning, so what is it?
Late afternoon wood, bro. Early evening wood?
Early evening wood. I like that.
You know?
Yep. Absolutely. I really know. I do.
Apps possible bibbidly bibbidly hibbidly.
Loving this wall that you're building, bro.
Thanks, bro. Working on
It's
it.
coming along.
Oh, I'm gonna watch the woodcraft I brought back from our recent expedition.
Hell yeah. Wait for me.
I will.
Fuck, where's my body?
Where's your body?
Oh wait, yeah, I did die upstairs actually.
Oh, that's right, you shot yourself. Forgot about that.
Damn, yeah, I'm just lying here. It's
None of
fucked
us,
up.
we were all too fucking traumatized. Just had to leave you there. None of us wanted to touch you.
Jesus Christ. See that? That's messed up.
That is messed up. Hey.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. What's I doing? Alright, I was putting away stuff. I think we also need to teach Max just our organization. I think we've been in this base so many times, we usually just use the same organization for basically every time we're here. And Max just had his inventory completely full that last time. I wasn't even there to see it, but I remember you'd be like, just Max, drop everything in your inventory, like on the ground in front of Donnie right now. And I just heard you laugh a few seconds later.
It's just so much stuff.
I mean, it's
Like,
still up there too. Just like sheets, the fucking yeah,
I
ripped
think he
sheets.
did put a lot of his stuff away before that, though. So,
Yeah, but still, the fact that he had so much,
just like, dude.
he'll get the hang of it. He will. I believe in him. I found a VHS called "The Danger in Your Bed."
That's terrifying. What's going on with that?
I don't know, but it's dangerous and it's in your bed.
Damn, alright. Yeah, we don't have any extra socks, do we?
There's
Oh
those
yeah,
ones you
yeah,
put on the table.
I found some. Yeah.
Hello,
What's up, dude?
not much. Just go to Cheyenne with an empty gun case. Hey Ma, I've been feeling really embarrassed about going to school with this like kid lunchbox. I'm getting kind of older. Could you start packing my lunch in this gun case so I can look cooler for the other kids?
Nah, dude, never.
Nah,
Never.
just looks a little. I was placing it down. It just looks a little bit like just like an armored lunchbox.
So dope. I'm really excited. I love um the whole lunchbox idea.
Me too.
It's just
It's
so excellent.
it's so genius. Ooh, that's still so hot. Okay. Gee, speaking of lunchbox, I gotta put mine on the counter.
I gotta wash myself off, repair my clothing, clean these bandages,
Do it, honey.
fill my water bottles. Oh my god.
I know. I still got. I mean, think I still have like a lot of stuff in my car I need to unpack. Oh,
I
shave.
gotta read some books. Again. Oh my god.
That's right. You died.
Ugh.
It's so tragic.
Just like, of course, dude.
There. I shaved and also tied my hair into a ponytail.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, let me, come here. Let's see.
So, I mean, I just shaved it back into the mustache. I had like a big beard and my hair was getting really long. Here I'm going. It's a tin can in the trash. Where are you? You just downstairs?
Yeah, I'm just next to all the, I'm in
Oh,
the garage.
I need to wash myself. I hear you washing, and I need to do that too, actually. Here, look at my mustache.
I want to see your hair.
Oh, it's my
There.
hair. I did have to, like, take my helmet off when I tied it up.
Nice. Looks good. How'd you do that?
I mean, all I had was a razor, and it was just like, I had two options, shave head or tie hair into ponytail, so I chose tie hair into ponytail.
It didn't say any particular item was used?
I don't think so. I think you just need to have long enough hair, maybe.
Okay, cool. Alright, I think I'm gonna make it my mission to, get, some more, see these containers in here
What
that I'm
ones?
rummaging through.
One second. I'm washing myself. I don't know what room you're in. Like, what's the container holding? I might know based on that. Like, what?
Just the containers that hold like the tools or like,
Mm-hmm.
you know, clothing and random stuff.
Yeah. Do you gonna work on metalworking so you can?
Try and get one of those,
Hell yeah.
or like move them.
That also works. Might have some at the police station. Did we ever fully
Yeah.
raid the? Yeah, we did. We did. No, I think we never fully raided like the guns and ammo from the prison stockhold.
Yeah, no, we didn't. I don't think we barely got anything from there.
I mean, that's probably like one of several prison stockholds. That's how fucking big that place is, but. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's so good. Shit, I gotta drink. Boy, getting pissed off because I've been drinking.
Gotta be drinking, dude.
Gulp.
Ooh.
Gotta have some ouch. Oh. She did get everything out of here, except for this padded jacket and this double-barrel shotgun. Do you want this perfect condition double-barrel shotgun?
Oh, I do. Yeah. Well, I'm good.
Okay.
Thank you though.
Alright. Want to watch Woodcraft with me?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Hey, get over here.
What do you say we conduct a series of tests to determine the extent of his sophistication?
It's for the ladies.
They're smiling when they go up them, and they're smiling more when they come back down.
That's so stupid.
So what? Yeehaw! So what do we need? 15 planks, 15 nails, and AD Vance Nyland with carpentry. Bang bang! We're gonna need some more over here. Bang bang! Well, it goes good at the top of a flight of stairs. Table with a drawer in it, right? Make you yeehaw. That makes me yeehaw anyways. That lady could keep her valuables in it. Maybe a Bible, maybe a gun. 5 planks, 4 nails, go! Bang bang! That's enough for this week, huh? You want more? I'll be upstairs. Man, I fucking wish. I'm at 1124 out of 3,000.
Yeah, that's far off. What level are you?
I think I'm level 5. I'm on my way to level 6.
Nice.
Then I can make everything I really need to make. And fairly soon. If I don't die, I'll be desensitized. Well, at least I'll start the process of hoping to be desensitized. Alright. What the hell? What are you munching on?
Oreos.
Fuck yeah. What?
You wanna watch, oh boy, you can't watch Carzone again. Never mind.
Ah, go for it. I already watched all the Carzone we have.
Wouldn't be able to work on engines, at least. For standard cars. Riveting gameplay right here.
Yeah, dude.
Reading books.
Reading books, building walls.
Oh man, I wish I could. Can I watch? I wanna come watch. Well, no, I'm about to finish. No, God damn it. 1 second.
I'll stream to you. How about that?
No, my shit can't handle that. For some reason, when playing PZ, and if I'm like watching someone play something,
Oh, I do remember that.
it's all fucky, sketchy.
We could sit like next to one of these cars over here. I gotta go chop some more wood, I think. Or at least grab some more logs from over there. Oh, it's so dark. Wait, no, I'm fine. There's a zombie right there.
It's 1:10 in the morning.
Excuse me, sir. Boink. Donk. Sponk. Are you upstairs right now?
Um,
Um.
yeah, I'm in the next to the TV.
Okay, cool. Whenever you do come out and pay me a visit, could you bring me some canned food? Getting a little
Yeah.
peckish. Just getting a little peckish right now, but I know that'll help turn to a bit more soon with how much I'm exerting myself with all this carpentry.
All that hard work that you're doing.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, dude.
I start on this corner over here and move back around.
Alright, bringing you some foodies.
Hell yeah, thanks, brother.
Actually, do we have any, like, spoons? Yeah, we need to go looking around for spoons and forks. Any spoons and forks that you find.
Oh yeah?
I want to get, like, a shit ton and just, like, pile them into a cupboard. Yeah, looks like we don't have any.
Who needs utensils? It's the apocalypse. Everything's finger food now. Just give it all.
Yeah, I just wanted to make us bowls of cereal. But
Oh, you need spoons for that? Damn.
well, no, you don't. But
It's
it's
nice.
just it's cool to like sit around with your homie and like eat a bowl of cereal like you would like pre-apocalypse. You
Yeah,
know what I mean?
I get you.
I'm gonna try my best though.
I believe in you.
Also bring you something else. Bring you some protein.
Yay.
Oh shit!
You
I
okay?
yeah, I think I just fell a little bit.
Oh shit.
Good.
Did you just like jump onto the stairs or something?
I was sprinting down the staircase, so
Okay.
that makes sense.
Cereal and sausage? Baby boy, you spoiling me
Let's
rotten.
eat the cereal together. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, eat. Yay!
Thank you.
Cereal. Yum.
Yay. I'm also gonna eat this sausage.
Yay!
Oh, that was mad tasty.
I'm gonna drink a soda after that.
Give me
Really good.
the bowl back.
Oh yeah, I probably should, huh?
Thank you, dear friend. Hooray, the sun's starting to rise. Whoa.
It's 4:20.
Shit. It's gonna be 4:30 before I can even get this weed in me. This bowl's dead. I gotta load a new one. I'll do that. And a sec.
That's good. That's funny. Dang it, though. What the hell?
Like, dang it to hell. Okay, gotta go inside and get those things. Sec. First, I'm gonna do this. Shibbity bibbity bibbity boo.
Shippity bippity
I'll
bippity
suck on your
bee.
ass and eat all your poo. Man, should I eventually add flooring and just make this whole perimeter a structure? Like once I get to level 6, add stairs and just start adding floors and make this a giant like tower.
Oh, fuck yes.
Probably take so much goddamn wood.
Probably, but
Wait, shit,
hey.
I still have- wait. Oh.
Man, I'm a fast learner.
Ooh.
So I learn things fucking shit hella fast.
Mr. fucking Smarty Pants over here. Hey guys, check out Mr. Smartass. Oof,
It like,
God.
it's crazy how much of a difference it makes, though. It's fucked up.
I bet. What? How much? How many points does it cost?
6. 6 points, I think.
Damn. It's a lot. Well, not even a lot, but it's enough to make me have to give up something I really care about. It's like, whoa, why'd it get darker? But it's just like, it's finally light enough that the street lights turned off, so it's not light where I am right now.
Yeah. It's trippy, huh?
Yeah. God, this game's so fucking good. I can just like say that. And just like, I don't know, there's just like so many little things like that. Just make this game so fucking just primo for me. Like, it's so good.
It's just solid.
Yeah.
Solid fucking game.
I mean, it really shows what you get when you let the same dudes work on their passion project game for almost 10 years.
Yeah.
Like, you get something fucking amazing like this. Like, these dudes obviously care about what they're doing, and they had enough time and resources to do it, and they made it. And like, God, I remember just watching the video that I always send people, you know, the one I'm talking about, and they just like briefly talk about how recently in the last year they upgraded from 2D models to 3D, no, from 2D sprites to 3D models, and just flashes of a piece of footage of what the game used to look like. I'm just
Yeah,
like,
no, it's
whoa, what the fuck?
no, they've really done a great job.
It's amazing. It's just,
They used to look really like a lot worse.
I mean, it wasn't like, it wasn't 3D at all. It was just like 2D sprites. I'm just like, oh my god, like, I'm just endlessly impressed with this game. Even like when I got bored of this game, I would still like watch videos about it and like talk so highly of it because it's just so fucking good.
Totally. Right there with you. Oh fuck.
What? You good?
Yeah, my fucking truck that I repaired earlier is all fucked up.
No.
Oh, the hood is all fucked up actually. It's actually pretty much the same condition. I just gotta repair the hood. Okay. Oh, that's easy fix.
Yeah.
Fuck, man. I gotta fill up my lunchbox and then
Oh, yeah, you're gonna go look for more shelving?
look for shelving.
I mean,
Yeah.
I can build those big wooden crates. Like the nicer ones.
You can build the nicer ones already.
I think so. Oh wait, maybe? Oh, it's a level what? I feel like there's... I mean, I can make a big bookcase, like a wooden one. And... bookcase, shelves, double fills on the other side. Tables, swing collector barrels. I feel like, is this the wooden... I feel like this might be a better wooden crate I get at level 6. Honestly. Yeah, go find some. I mean, I can make bookshelves and stuff. They won't hold nearly as much as, like, those will, but I also can make those, like... I think they're still the crappier wooden crates. But, I mean, they're still good. Chopping down trees and picking up wood. Chopping down trees and picking up wood.
Hey, where you just level up?
Maintenance. High exertion. Damn, that came out of nowhere. Alright, I get it. I'll go take a break in a sec. Yeah, I'll go take a break. I gotta poop soon.
Oh shit, yeah. What's my poop situation? 39%. So
Nice.
good for a minute.
I think someone left the radio on. Yep, someone left the radio on in the purple car.
Might have been me.
Walked by and it said zit. I'm like, what the fuck?
Oh boy, that ain't right. Alright.
Alright. Oh, hey, pal.
Hey. I'm about to get out of here.
Oh, yeah. Just eat some cereal to just gain a little bit of weight so I don't gotta worry about my weight if I start losing stuff a bit.
Right on. Do you want to come with me?
I just like wickedly overexerted myself chopping down trees, so I need to like rest for a second and read a book.
No.
But if
I'll
you...
yeah, I'll be doing that shit.
Hell yeah. I need to... I guess I'll read farming. Already read fishing. Oh, I should read